tires look a little small, but we're going to change that in a minute. So stay tuned.
These wheels and tires are off the 850 Can-Am.
Is there any difference?
Oh, I think there's a little bit of height difference.
Yeah.
It's just the knobs, nothing major. That's okay. He can have his rough tires. I'll go with mine. I'm greasing it up really well. Okay, so all 4 new wheels are on. And we're torquing all wheels to 60. So, the 2021 Can-Am 1000, taking off the factory wheels and tires and putting on
Factory wheels, different tires.
right factory rims and different tires. See how that works out. Same color as the bars. Okay, all 4 new wheels and tires are installed on the 2021 XMR 1000.
Not quite the same color I thought it was going to be. It doesn't quite match, but...
I say at a distance, 60 miles an hour, he'll look just fine.
And we get different treads anyway, so it'll be smoother on hard surfaces.
That's what he's hoping for anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just finishing up torquing the wheels. You'll be able to see him when he's lost anyway. I'll get the bikes all lined up and see how they look.
Okay. It's not quite the right color green, but it's close enough. It makes her stand out anyway. So I'm happy with them. I like the tires. I had it for a little spin on the asphalt there, and hell of a lot smoother than the other ones. But we'll try them out, see if they're any good in the mud and stuff. I imagine they're good in snow and water and all that stuff. I'm just not sure how well they're gonna do in the mud, but we'll find out. Donna hasn't seemed to have any problem with hers going through what she's gone through so far. And Mikey hasn't had a chance yet, poor fella, to try his out yet. He's been waiting. So now he's been waiting to get these wheels on. He didn't like the green ones, so hopefully he'll be happy with these, and hopefully the bike will work all right. So we'll see what happens next time we get out. Hopefully it won't be too long. Down the road. Does look good on it though, that wrap. Not sure. The camel does look good on it though, that wrap. Yeah, not too bad. Not sure. Yeah, not too bad. Those wheels sort of match the real tree or the camel, but those wheels sort of match the. It's not his style. He likes everything dark or black camel, but so too bright for Mike. It's not his style. He likes everything dark or black. So So, we'll
Alright.
see now. Now you want to
See
see
how
how
she
she
goes.
goes. Over and out.